Okay, let's dive into the hidden science that keeps our world powered up and safe. For a vacuum circuit breaker or VCD, failure is simply not an option. The stakes are huge.
It's wild. We're talking about a difference measured in milliseconds with huge financial and safety consequences.
The good news, these breakers fail in predictable ways, so maintenance isn't just cleaning, it's predicting the future.
So what makes a VCB so different? To get it, we really need to understand its unique role. So a contactor is a workhorse, just switching loads. A VCB, on the other hand, is built for one catastrophic event. So it really all boils down to this: readiness for a VCB versus endurance for a contactor. Right, so this isn't about managing daily wear. It's about guaranteeing perfect performance for that one critical moment. And to ensure that readiness, engineers follow a super strict schedule of inspections and tests. But time isn't the only factor. Specific events, like a big fault, can trigger an immediate full inspection. Think of the annual check as a doctor's checkup, where we decode the breaker's vital signs. So why does a tiny change in resistance matter so much? Let's look at contact resistance. It's a tiny measurement that tells us about erosion, which can lead to overheating and, well, failure. And if that resistance gets over 150 micro-ohms, it's time for an immediate replacement. No questions asked. And this shows how engineers track that wear over time, from perfectly healthy to a planned replacement. Okay, resistance is critical, but what about speed? Turns out, for a VCB, speed is everything. This is called the opening time. It's the critical window the breaker has to stop an arc and prevent disaster. Yeah, that's the target speed. If it slows down by just 10%, it might not work at all. Another huge one is the vacuum integrity check. A leak here can lead to, you guessed it, catastrophic failure. So how do all these separate data points become a predictive tool? Well, the real power is in the trend. This process is what turns reactive repairs into a predictive science. It's how you ensure reliability. So to wrap up, VCBs are all about readiness. Key tests are mandatory, and trending that data is everything. And this whole meticulous process, well, it's what keeps our lights on and our workplaces safe. It makes you wonder, what other critical systems are working perfectly right now, just out of sight?